All right, I want to show you one very powerful application that I've been using since 2020. As at the time I created this video, it is 2024, and this application I have been using it on my phone for the past 4 years, and it is very powerful. I cannot begin to tell you how much this app has made me, and I cannot tell you how much it has helped my life. Right? The name of the app is called Pixellab. Now, if you go to Play Store right here, you can search for the application. It is free to download on Play Store. All right, so just go and you type Pixel Lab. It is not, unfortunately, as at the time of creating this video, it is not available on iOS. So this is the application. All right, as you can see here, it's showing updates, meaning that it is installed on my phone. But the version that is installed on my phone is a very special version. It's a version that I've been using for the past 4 years, and it is very stable. This is it right here on my screen. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you what this app can do. This application can create just anything design. You can use it to create book cover designs, like maybe mock-ups. You can use it a lot and a lot of things. This right here is a project I just worked on for a client and I have delivered it. And it is a flex banner, 20 feet by 10 feet. And I sent it to the client and it's going to come out very sharp. With this application, I have also designed and printed a flex banner that is 40 feet by 15 feet, and it came out very well. It depends on how you use it or how you are creative in using the tool that you have available to you. All right. If you are following my tutorials or you have been following my tutorials, you'll be able to know how to do this. This is a book cover design that I worked on. I took about 1 hour to finish this book cover design. You can see the design. You can see how clean it is. You can see it. Very powerful. Let me quickly show you the mockups. Let me quickly show you the mockup. Let me go to LinkedIn and I'll show you the mockups. Let me cancel this guy. Oh, cancel. All right, so I'm going to show you the mockups right away. These are the mockups for that particular book. I created it with Pixellab, and these are the mockups. You can see how beautiful they are. All right, that is good. Then, apart from that, if it is a flyer, if it is even tracts, if it is banner, whatever it is, this application can create it. All right, and you can charge as much as $20, $50 for some projects created with this application. You know, it's not all about how you most of the time we're saying that it is a tool you use. I know that the tool you use matters, but sometimes you can have a very great resources, but you don't know how to use it. You don't know how to actually make money from it. Right? These are powerful stuff that you can create with this application, all with your smartphone. And I'm going to be giving it hard today. If you want this particular version, it's a black version. All right, you may not easily find it anywhere. You can, if you want to get it, you can get it online. You may not find it, but this one I'll be using, I have not deleted it from my phone because I like it. It's very stable and it's very cool. You can see the kind of designs that this thing can produce. Very powerful application. Now this application comes with it has a lot of fonts that is inbuilt. You can see the fonts. It has more than close to 500 fonts. You can see them. There are so many. And you can also install your custom fonts. All right. If you want to get it, then you can click the link in the description and I will tell you what to do. It is not free. I'm not giving it out for free because I am adding other bonuses to it. if you want to get it, I'm going to give you this particular Pixellab application I have been using, and I will give you other bonuses, resources like fonts, resources like backgrounds, and some other application that would help you. This is just it. So if you want it, click the link in the description and you will be able to purchase it for any amount that you see on the website. Like I said, it's not free. If you want to get it, click on the link and you'll be able to get it. My name is Niyamuda, and I will see you.